This video mainly teaches you how to installation the fiber laser cleaning machine. Take out the handle and air tube from the tool kit. Use a 4 mm hex wrench to remove these for screws. Install the handles by aligning and securing them to the screw holes one by one. The 6 mm diameter tube shall be inserted to a depth of 10 mm, such that it's secured against leakage or disengagement. Insert the other end of the air tube into a connector. The other end of the connector should be inserted into the orange air tube to a depth of 10 mm as well. Insert the other end of the air tube into a filtered air compressor. Connect the machine power cord. Ensure this part is firmly clipped or locked in place. Add purified water to the water chiller until the water level reaches the green indicator mark. Turn on the emergency stop switch. Control screen lights up. Turn on the chiller switch. Chiller screen lights up. Only operate the laser switch after the water chiller has reached a temperature between 23 to 25 degrees Celsius. Turn on the laser switch. Turn on the laser switch on the cleaning head. Normal circuit and water flow operation is indicated by a red laser light from the cleaning head. Turn off the laser switch on the cleaning head. Next, prepare the workpiece and set the cleaning parameters. The air compressor pressure reaches 4-6 kPa. Adjust the machine's pressure reducing valve to 0.2-0.4 MPa. Set parameters. Turn on the laser switch on the cleaning head. Wearing goggles. Before starting work, ensure 1. The area is clear of flammable or explosive materials. 2. All non-essential personnel are away from the cleaning zone. To clean, aim the laser output at the workpiece and maintain a focal distance of 85 cm 5 cm. The red laser preview area indicates the laser cleaning location. Laser activation requires a double press of the switch within 1 second. A single press is ineffective. Turn off the laser output switch after cleaning. After operation, if no cleaning is needed for 10 minutes, turn off the air compressor and laser source. That concludes the installation, setup, and cleaning demonstration. Thank you for your attention.